Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the exact audio and assets ready so you can work fast. Import the song, voiceover, and any SFX into your phone or desktop. Make sure they're labeled clearly. Once done, open Reels and pick the clip length, 15, 30, or 60 seconds, because Instagram trims audio to that duration. Make sure volume reference levels are similar. Otherwise, you'll chase loudness later. Now tap Add Audio, or use the original sound, to begin syncing visuals to beat and voice. You now sync audio to visuals with precision. Drag the audio waveform under your footage and line up strong beats or consonant sounds with cuts and motion. This makes edits feel intentional. Once aligned, split clips to remove dead space and nudge segments by frame increments if needed. Also balance levels. Lower background music, raise voiceover, because clarity matters for engagement. Make sure to preview in full screen. Listen with headphones and device speaker to catch phase or timing issues. You finish by exporting and verifying playback on multiple devices to confirm sync and loudness. If you notice drift or misalignment, reopen the timeline and nudge the problematic clip by single frames until lip or beat matches. Small shifts fix most issues. Once satisfied, save as a draft, add captions, hashtags, and credit the audio source so viewers can find it. One troubleshooting tip. If audio stutters after upload, re-encode the track at 44. 1 kHz, 100.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.